Ready to level up your text game in Illustrator and transform your designs from amateur hour to absolute perfection? Let's dive in. Starting with the basics first, grab your type tool from the toolbar. It looks like a capital T now. Instead of clicking, click and drag a box onto your artboard. This creates a text area, also known as a text box, giving you the flexibility of paragraph text. Now, type or paste your text into this box. See how it wraps automatically, fitting within the boundaries of your box. This is the fundamental power of paragraph text. Next, let's explore the real magic, the paragraph panel. If it's not already open, go to Window, then Paragraph. Here's where you control the layout. Start by experimenting with alignment. Choose from left, center, right, and justified to determine how your text lines up. Add some visual separation with the Indents section. Play with the left, right, and first line indents to create spacing that makes your text easier to read. Small changes make a big difference. Now let's focus on spacing. You'll want to adjust the before paragraph and after paragraph sections to add space around the paragraphs to the entire text to improve readability of your design. Take time to discover what works. That's it. Mastering paragraph text in Illustrator is a game changer for your design work. Congratulations! By using the Type tool to create text boxes, you can take control of your text layout using the paragraph panel. It's all about alignment, indents, and spacing now. Go forth and design with confidence.